to that dollar like it'll slow down my hurry. Settle all my worries when I get it in my wallet. Quit dipping long enough to own a pair of jeans that don't have a ring in the back left pocket. Laughing at myself.
What's going on? Just trying to get the derby car ready. Has to be ready for the 19th of August.
Which is in how many days?
17. If this video uploads tonight.
If not, then it'll be 16 by the time you guys watch it. So,
why don't you show them what we've done so far?
So, this is a, what car is this again?
2007 Dodge Caliber 2.55 speed.
Yeah, so, you can tell we ripped back bumper off. The headlights, taillights are out. The back window's out. Fucking locks and everything already taken out. Got the back seat stripped out. Wiring, harness stuff is gonna be put somewhere. Not really sure how we're gonna be doing all this stuff yet. But we got the whole back part of it all stripped out. So now we're starting to work on getting the, oh yeah, I gotta get that cover off too. But then we're gonna get the passenger seat out, finish stripping the front end, get the front windshield off, which is gonna be a project and a half. Then I think our next step is so which side is it? This side, or which side is this side right here? So we also need to find some shitty tires because that one's blown.
Oh, that one's fine.
That one's fine. Okay, one.
Did you show them my nice carving that I did earlier?
No, I didn't actually. Fucking pussy.
Do it, you fucking pussy.
So yeah, it's sorry. This one right here is popped. As you can tell, the hole that's right there. And then we have that one, which is completely fucked, as you can tell.
Show my fucking hair.
And then that one is off the bead too and popped. And then Matt decided to hook up his old LTZ air filter to the car, and
it breathes much better.
Yeah, sure. I'm not even sure how the fuck. Oh, okay. So yeah, that's kind of.
Look at that. This is fucking sketchy as shit. Orleans County Fair parking pass. Well, last year was the last time this bitch is ever parking at Orleans. Leave that in there for good luck.
Yeah. So yeah, we just got the batteries taken out. We're gonna charge it.
Yeah, Seth will ever remember his fucking battery. I cut out the dash, so when I need to, I can go from the driver's side to the passenger side and right out the windshield through here.
We gotta finish.
As you guys can see, my fat ass ain't fitting through no fucking side window.
I mean, yeah. Fucking mad. But nope, we're gonna finish stripping the front end and getting the windshield out, and we will update you guys when we have all the glass taken out of the car. Sound good, Matt?
Oh yeah, we're gonna use fire to get the windshield out.
And we're gonna fucking set it on fire and fucking, I don't know what we're gonna do yet. I think we're gonna use a Sawzall blade and slowly cut the glue out from underneath it, or use a Slim Jim, because that'll work good too.
Yeah, I know. I've been trying, but it's a bitch to do.
Yep.
Windshields are in there really good.
But yeah. So we will update you guys when windshields. Alright, so it's about what, 9:30 at night right now. So you can see we got all the, okay, hold on, let me move some shit out of the way. Get the whole inside of the car stripped.
Except for the door panels.
Except for the door panels. I have to get those out, but I already got one started over there. We got this one and that one up there to do. Let's see, we got the carpet out. We didn't end up making it to the windshield tonight, but we're planning on doing that tomorrow sometime. That's the gas tank right there. We're gonna use it, I guess. And then, yeah, so this is practically the car. Got as much done as we could today, and tomorrow will be another day.
And we will see you in the morning.